Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Prime Video subtitles when it comes to font, size, and color. For you to do this, you can log into your Prime account, go over your icon, and click on Account and Settings. Once you're here, go under Subtitles, and here is where you can change the subtitle text. So to do that, you can just click on Edit, and you can choose the size of the subtitles. As you choose the size of the text, you can see change right over here, and you can choose which one you like. Here is the font, and then you can choose which one you like. That is much more comfortable for you. And here is the edge. And then here the capacity. After you've adjusted the presets to what you like, then you can click on Save. You're done.